Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm finally doing my messy bun tutorial. I feel like I get questions about it all the time and get requests to do it, so I'm finally filming it for you guys. So yeah, if you want to see how I create this messy bun look, then you can just keep on watching. Okay, so, sorry, I'm just kind of like leaning in, but this is what my hair looks like right now. So it's a second day hair, so it doesn't look too bad. I just had it up in a bun yesterday, so that's kind of why I have a little bit of kinks going on, but it really doesn't look too bad. I took it out last night so it could kind of settle a little bit and finish drying too, because it was still damp from my shower the night before because I had it up in a bun like the whole time. Anyway, that's just a little side note. So that's what we're working with. We're working 2-day hair. So I'm just gonna brush through it a little bit more. I did quickly brush through it this morning, but I just want to make sure that I get all the tangles out. And I like to always try to start from like the bottom and work my way up. Just that way so you're not pulling on so much hair. Okay, it's nice and soft. So I do not have anything fancy, or I don't do anything fancy with my bun. I'm just gonna put in a little bit of oil. This is the Rejuvenate oil, and I really love this stuff for like taming frizz and stuff. So I'm just gonna warm it up in my hand, and then just put all throughout my hair. I avoid like the roots of my hair, as you should with most oils. This definitely is not a heavy oil, but I still like to focus it more on the shaft of my hair shaft and ends, and then just like a little bit up, like where I have like little baby hairs and stuff. Okay, so hopefully I can get this on camera well. So next, we're gonna flip our hair over and just start gathering our hair. So then, once you have it pretty smooth, you are just going to your hair up. Just gonna take it and start twisting it. And then I'm just using one of those little, like, I don't know what to call them. Those hair ties that are super in right now. Okay. Then maybe I should. Okay, so then you're gonna have something like this. It looks kind of like a ballerina bun. This actually doesn't look terrible, but not what I want to go for. So I'm just gonna hold the bun and then just start pulling the hair out to give it a more like loose effect and like a little bit more messy style. So then I usually like to use a few bobby pins as well, just to kind of secure it down, make sure things aren't going to be popping out and everything. And a little hack, if you don't know this already, with bobby pins, if you, instead of putting the flat side down, like normally you would put this side closest on your head, but if you flip it and put the more like rigidy side on your head, that helps keep the bobby pins in place better. At least that's what I've found. If you struggle with bobby pins popping out of your hair, which I feel like it's an issue with like when you have thicker hair. So that's just a little hack. So I usually have to bobby pin just a few places around the bun just to secure it. And then I also will put a couple in the back of my hair, because I usually have some hairs that kind of fall like out because they're shorter, you know. And I don't like that really. It kind of annoys me, so I always just try to pin them. And then I just will pull some hairs out to put in my face and just make it a little bit more messy and effortless looking. And it's like, I wish I had more curly hair, like when it comes to wearing a bun. 'Cause I feel like girls with curly hair have the cutest buns, but I'm working with what I have, so. And that is honestly pretty much it. That's how I do my bun. Alright, so that's it for this video. Just a super short little hair routine. How I do my messy bun. I always get questions like on my Instagram saying like, how do you do that, your bun, and like your bun's so cute. So I mean, and I wear my hair like this like 95% of the time because I'm lazy when it comes to my hair, but I also don't have like that much time. Like I usually do my makeup and I take more time on that, and then before I know it, it's like I have to leave right now, so let me just throw my hair up in a bun because it takes 2 minutes. So yeah, that is how I do my messy bun. I hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on future videos. And I believe that's everything. Don't forget to follow me on social media. I'll have everything in the description box below, so you can follow me there and everything. And I do post actually a lot about hair products on my Instagram, because I'm partnered with the hair care company, so definitely follow me there if you're interested in any of the products I use, like the Rejuvenate oil. There's a bunch of other really good products that I love and use daily, so definitely follow me there. But yeah, I believe that's everything. I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys!